guys, this is Gerryl Krilic here, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And today I want to talk to you guys about kind of taking charge of some of these unhelpful thoughts that we might have during the day and how that can get us off track when we're on a health and wellness journey and we're trying to create some healthful changes in our life. So I'm going to give you guys an example. You know, if you ever found yourself at the bottom of a pint of ice cream or a half-gallon ice cream or a bag of Oreos and you were sitting there wondering why you began eating them in the first place, right? Chances are it started with an unhelpful thought. Why? Because what you think drives what you actually do, right? So if you're thinking, I can't do this, I might as well just eat all of this since it doesn't matter anyway, and then you just grab those cookies that you didn't even want, right? So by noticing your thoughts, you can begin to change the way that you're going to respond in the future. Okay, so just kind of creating some awareness around these unhelpful thoughts that we might have during the day. And this applies to everything, whether it is nutrition related or job related or relationship related or just in life. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to pay attention to what is going through your mind when you're having these unhelpful thoughts, okay? Maybe you were eating healthfully for several days in a row and then you just totally blew it over the weekend and now you're thinking that you've totally ruined your week, okay? When you notice a thought like that, which is not going to help you, I want you to try one of these strategies, okay? First of all, I want you to recognize the impact and shift your story, okay? How does that thinking that you ruined your week make you feel? Okay, and what is that going to lead you to do, right? I want you to stop that negative thought in its tracks. Just delete it. Just completely delete it. It's an unhelpful thought, right? One slip up doesn't mean that you failed. It means that you're human, right? Say that to yourself. Hey, one slip up doesn't mean that I failed. I'm human. I make mistakes. This is about progress, not perfection. I'm recognizing my mistake and I'm ready to move on, right? Secondly, I want you to do a reality check, okay? Is it literally true that your week is ruined? Would you tell that to one of your friends if they had done the same thing? Come on, this kind of all or nothing thinking is not helpful to anyone, okay? So have some self-compassion, forgive yourself, say to yourself, I'm really bummed that things aren't going the way that I planned, but I can totally get myself back on track, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Lastly, I want you to accept the situation, and I want you to act. So by saying that, I mean identify the thought that's going through your head. Imagine that you're looking at it from far away, and then without even changing that thought, commit to the action that you want to take, okay? Say to yourself, just because I think I ruined my week, that doesn't mean I should give up. I can have that thought and still take steps forward towards my larger goal, right? So guys, we're recognizing these negative thoughts. We're shifting them away out of our story. We're doing a reality check. We're accepting and we're moving on. All right? This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, and get moving each and every day. And if you or someone you know is struggling to get and or stay healthy, please refer my services to them. I am a health coach at friscofitcity.com. If I can't help you, I will find someone who will, who can, or I will help you find the resources to do so for every budget, age, and stage of life. All right, everybody, be well. Have a great day.